Good morning. Today we are going to see lesson 1 hockey part 2. In hockey, we have completed introduction, history, field of play, equipments, and skill in part 1. Now we will see laws of the game and hockey field with its measurement in part 2. Now we see laws of the game. The first one, team. A game shall be played between two teams of not more than 11 players each on the field. Each team is permitted to substitute from a maximum of 16 players. Each team must have one goalkeeper in the field. Substitution is permitted at any time except when penalty corner is awarded till it is completed. Substitutions are not permitted for suspended players. Next, match and result. A match consists of two periods of 35 minutes and a half time interval of 5 minutes. A team scoring the most goal is the winner. If the match ends in draw, the golden goal extra time of 7.5 minutes will be played, and after that a penalty stroke competition will be held. The next, start and restart of the match. The winner of the toss will have the choice of side or to start with a center pass. A center pass is taken to start the match in the beginning, to start after the half time, to start after a goal is scored. A bully is taken to restart a match when play has been stopped for an injury or for any other reason. A bully is not taken within 50 meters of the back line. Next, ball outside the field. When the ball travels over the sideline, the play is restarted from the sideline, where the ball crosses the line with a free hit rule. When the ball is played over the back line by an attacker, the play is restarted with a 15-meter free hit by a defender over the back line. The play is restarted with a penalty corner. Next, a method of scoring. A goal is scored when the ball is played within the circle by an attacker under the crossbar and between the goal post. Next, conduct of play. Players must not use the stick in dangerous way. Players must not touch, handle or interfere with other players or their sticks. Players must not play ball with back of the stick. Players must not play the ball with any part of the stick with the ball is above the shoulder height except to stop or deflect a shot at goal. Players must not obstruct an opponent. Goalkeepers are permitted to use their stick, protective equipment or any part of their body to stop the ball. When the ball is outside the circle, they are permitted to play the ball only with their stick. Next, penalties. A free hit is awarded to the opposing team for an offense by any player between the 23 meters areas. For an offense by an attacker within the 23 meters area of the defenders. For an unintentional offense by a defender outside the circle, and within the 23 meters line. Next, a penalty corner is awarded for an offense by a defender inside the circle which does not prevent the probable scoring of a goal. For an intentional offense by a defender outside the circle but within the 23 meters area. For an intentional playing of the ball over the back line except goalkeeper deflecting the ball. When the ball becomes lodged in a player's clothing or equipment. A penalty stroke is awarded for an offense by a defender inside the circle which prevents a probable goal. Next, an intentional offense in the circle by a defender against an opponent who has the ball. A defenders persistently crossing over the back line during penalty corner. The next, officials for the match. Two umpires control the match. Each umpire is responsible for decisions in his own half. Umpires are responsible for keeping a record of goals, warning and suspension. Here you can see the images of hockey field with measurements. Thank you.